Title: BRICS wants to replace the dollar. Will Trump let it? BRICS nations are Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. In a bold move to reshape the global economy, BRICS nations have announced their intention to challenge the dominance of the US dollar. The question now is, how will this impact the global financial system? And if Trump returns to power, how will he respond? For decades, the US dollar has been the backbone of international trade, serving as the world's reserve currency. However, BRICS nations are pushing back, advocating for a new currency to reduce reliance on the dollar. Their reasoning? To counterbalance US influence and create a more multipolar world economy. The idea of de-dollarization isn't new. BRICS countries have long expressed frustration with dollar-centric trade, citing vulnerabilities from US sanctions and monetary policies. Recently, this push has gained momentum with discussions about launching a BRICS currency for trade settlement. But where does Donald Trump fit into this picture? Known for his America First stance, Trump has consistently criticized multilateral agreements and advocated for the dominance of US economic power. If he were to return to office, he might not sit idly by as BRICS challenges the dollar. The rise of a BRICS currency could significantly impact global trade dynamics. It might weaken the dollar's dominance, increase competition in global markets, and even influence oil pricing. But experts caution that this transition won't be easy. The US dollar's position is deeply entrenched, and creating a unified BRICS currency would require overcoming significant logistical and political challenges. If Trump were in office, his response might include increased tariffs, sanctions, or trade wars aimed at discouraging BRICS nations from pursuing their goal. He could also work to strengthen alliances with other countries to counterbalance BRICS' influence. However, the outcome isn't solely in Trump's hands. The success of the BRICS currency depends on its ability to gain trust and stability in global markets. Many argue that even if BRICS make strides, the dollar won't lose its dominance overnight. So will BRICS replace the dollar? And if so, how will a leader like Trump react? While the future remains uncertain, one thing is clear. The global financial system is on the brink of transformation, and the stakes have never been higher. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think BRICS can successfully challenge the dollar? And how do you think the US or even Trump would respond? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on global economic trends.